All right, now we when you look at the downloads, and downloaded some Lego. You can see Lego data. Is there another? I think this one. So, and when you see Lego data, we have asset and we have data. So when you open the data, you see themes, you see sets, you see colors, right? So you see these three. But you can also go back and asset. You also see these. So the store, just forget about this for the Mac. Now we have those. So these are the things that I copied, and when I copied them, I just copied like this, and then copy. You can use this one. Control C, and then I bring them to the users. I remember this is a data, and before I paste them here as asset and the other one, I made a file, this one. So let me delete it so that I can start a new. So I made a file here by right clicking on empty space, and then I come here and click on new and the folder. This folder is one I call it Lego, and then when I open the Lego folder, inside it I pasted the assets folder and data like that, and therefore those data, they are now available to the data when we open it inside the Jupyter notebook, right?